Okay, I just wanted to remake a few of my older videos that had really poor sound quality. Some of the core ones and stuff like that. Just to show some basics here. I'm going to create just anything, just something to put an FSM on. Doesn't matter what it is. So I have an FSM, and I'm going to show you what math expressions are. This is a math expression, and you could have, we'll say variables. We'll say A, it's a float, and a variable B is a float. Okay. So what a math expression is you can type in kind of like code in here, and it does that code. So for example, A plus B, all right, and I can store that as a float, and we'll make a new variable called C. And just so we can see these, I'm going to put these into the input so we can see them from the inspector. Okay, and if I hit play, right now obviously 0 plus 0 is going to equal 0, so nothing's going to change there. But I do have that on as every frame, so we can see this. So if I move A up, as you see, C is going right along with it. And if I start bringing up B, they're adding together. So now normally you wouldn't necessarily do, you know, A plus B. I mean, that's pretty simple. Let's also do an M. So A plus B times M, right? And same thing. So now I have a numerous thing, so I can say, let's say A is 2 and B is 5 and M is 1, right? So 2 plus 5 times 1 is 7. And if I take that up, you know, now we have, well, you do multiplication first. So 5 times 5, 25, plus 2 is 27. And I believe you should be able to do this. You might not be able to do this in this, but we will see. Right, and then there is another kind of version. So 2 and 3 times 1 is 6. And if I times, so we get 2 plus 3 equals 5. That's always going to be. So now if I times it by 5, we should get 25, right? So slightly different. But you can do all sorts of different little math things in here. You know, I could embrace this whole thing and divide it by 2. Oh, it doesn't like that. What part doesn't it like? Where's the divided by, the normal regular divided by symbol? Is there one? Because normally it's that. Oh. Normally it's that, right? Now, depending on how this is written, because that's, oh, you know what? I didn't put a bracket over here. That's probably my issue. Divided by 2. There we go. So math expression, you kind of write stuff out, right? So 2 plus 3 is 5. Give it a multiplier of 3, so you get 15, but it has it divided by 2, 7.5. So it's just a fancy way to do math. That's pretty much about it.